Not the most, well, they are the most, but also the most time wise. I know I said shoulders, but my body felt like it needed a bit more. Okay, just shoulders.
Mr. Crow has come and he's sat chilling on top of there. Hello, Mr. Crow. I'm gonna put some. Look at Mr. Crow, he's chilling. Can you see him? I want me shade on, so I can't really see him. Yeah, man, you can see him, yeah. There he is, look, Mr. Crow.
Put the feed out, right? There was 2 pigeons before on it, but then I came back outside. Now we've got one there. I hope the other 2 come. Oh, they're chilling there, look. Can you see him? So hopefully they come back soon. But yeah, the food's out for them, chilling. I'm chilling, I'm chilling.
And there's a crow up there as well. Hello, pigeons. Hello. This is so wholesome, like that is.